And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
At 6:43 on this Wednesday morning, we are tracking very muggy conditions outside your door. Warm temperatures to start the day. No jacket needed, even for this afternoon. Behind the cold front, it looks like it'll be nice and mild. 71 degrees right now in Rio Grande City. Good morning to you in McAllen and Port Isabel. You're currently checking in at 75. It's 76 in Brownsville, to 73 here in Weslaco and Harlingen, 74 to start your day in Edinburgh and Raymondville. You'll notice that humid air the second you step outside. It is very thick out there. You may even notice a little bit of patchy fog. Visibility is between 3 and 5 miles. Looking across the Lone Star State, let's find some colder air. There it is, well to the north in Amarillo, with temperatures currently at 37. It's 41 in Odessa. Notice the farther south you get, it's a little bit more mild. 55 degrees in San Antonio as well as Austin. 69 in Laredo. 75 for us here in the valley on average. So that cold front hasn't arrived just yet, but it will within the next hour or so. Here it is. I mean, it's getting closer as we speak. A lot of the moisture, however, staying well to the north and east. A lot of the severe weather over the southeast today. Nothing like that headed our way, but we do have some big time changes. So let me show you. Future Track shows that the fog will continue. I don't think it's going to get too thick out there, but once this front rolls through, it'll clear out. Now, we could see a little bit of mist or maybe a few sprinkles ahead of this front, but really I think for the most part it's going to be a dry setup. So we head into the second half of the day, or actually mid-morning and on, winds are really going to pick up out of the north today. 15 to 25 miles per hour, gusting up near about 30 and even 35 miles per hour today, and we'll have plenty of sunshine to go around and mild weather. But those gusty winds bring these changes. Red flag warning for Star in Hidalgo County today from 1 to 6, so burning outdoors is really not recommended. It could spread very, very rapidly. Looking at the coast, highlighted in pink all the way up into Kennedy County, we do have a wind advisory for coastal Willacy and coastal Cameron County, and that will last until this afternoon. Looking at the coast, however, we do have small craft advisories in place too, and we have gale warnings. So I'm going to show you that in detail in just a few minutes with the coastal forecast. Just hang tight. 84 today, followed by 82 tomorrow and 83 for Friday. With low humidity, this right here is picture perfect weather for us. Plenty of sunshine, around average for this time of year. So that's the good news. We're getting a break from the 90s behind this front with no real frigid air coming our way. Looking at Future Track as we head into the weekend, it'll turn breezy and warm and actually rather windy on Sunday ahead of this next front. Now it does get a little bit closer by midweek, so we could see maybe a spotty shower or two develop here in the valley, but I think a lot of that heavy stuff is going to remain well to our north. Here's a look at your coastal forecast. Now, I did say that there is a gale warning in place. That's from 7 this morning until 1 o'clock this afternoon. After that, small craft advisories will take over for the Bay and the Gulf. The Bay is going to be very rough out there. Seas are going to average 6 to 9 feet. You can expect the Bay advisory to last until 7 o'clock tonight. That Gulf advisory, however, that'll last through 1 o'clock tomorrow morning. High temperatures today, 84 degrees. It'll be beautiful, but just on the windy side, less breezy tonight with 53 as your overnight low. So you will need a jacket out there. We are expecting cooler nights ahead, only for a few nights though, tonight and tomorrow night, 53 and 58. By day, beautiful in the lower 80s, plenty of sunshine and low humidity. But get ready, breezy, warm and humid weather takes over this weekend. 86 goes up to 89 and 88 as we head into next week. By night, we'll be in the upper 60s and low 70s. The next chance for rain is Tuesday. We're putting your rain chances at 20%. Otherwise, the dry pattern continues. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.